So guys, I actually have a trick for when you're trading when you're trading V251s. Remember, is that trade that you what you are using to trade without even money in the account. So let me just close this so that I can be able to show you guys. Right, so as you can see over here, I actually made a mistake. Right, over here I had let me go down. Remember, oh, how many positions did I enter today? Right, so over here, right, I made a mistake, right? So I didn't check the account size. So like what the load size that I was using over here, right? So as you can see, I was using 0.01, right? So I'd grown the account to, I think it was 25 cents, right? And then over here, I didn't check the load size when I was entering. It was just what, 1 cent. And you remember, one click trading, I just pressed pa 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 pa, and that's when I actually blew up this account. But I want to show you how I'm actually able to how I'm actually trading this right now, right? So over here, what I've noticed, what I want to share with you guys, right? And remember, share this with other guys, with your friends, so that you can also benefit from this from this strategy, from this V251s. Remember, you are be able to enter positions even if you've got $0 in your account, right? So it's actually a should I say a gold mine, because this isn't gold, because you're not able to make that much money. But yeah, remember. So how am I doing this, right? So over here you can just enter. Let me check the lot size first, right? So over here, let's say you just enter you enter your sell over here. Let me just use one position so that you'll be able to see this, right? So then you click over here, right? Though it's not able to set my TP, because if you set your TP, it's not able to click that arrow, right? So if you were setting TPs, I would be able to make a fortune out of this, right? So over here you see that's where you make your cent. But I'm not focused on that, right? I want to focus on the stop loss over here, right? So over here I don't want you to set as you can see, this way you make a loss of 1 cent over here, right? So I want you to see where this goes to 0, right? So over here, that's where you make a loss of of a cent, right? So let's say you've entered your sell positions over here, right? And you see that the market is reversing, right? It's actually going it's going a little bit up, right? Up, right? What you have to do is you just have to exit before the market reaches where your cent will reach, right? So you exit it is 0 cents, right? You have to exit before the market reaches that point, so that you exit at a 0 cents, right? So you can put as many positions as you want, right? And just take the example of the lowest position over there, right? And exit before it reaches it reaches 1 cent over there, right? If you do that, you'll be able to enter, right? You'll be able to exit at a loss, so it's actually 0 loss, right? And when let's say you've got entered 50 positions, right, over there, and they all reach cent, you now have 50 cents, right? And if you've got 50 cents in that account, you'll be able to put more positions, so that you'll be able to let's say now you have 100 positions, and if they all reach a cent, it's a dollar, and it keeps on going, right? So, but the downside, what I want you to see over here is, if I put a lot size of, let's say 0.025, right? This over here, maybe the stop loss would have moved to a smaller degree over here. So if you are inserting a larger lot size, this won't actually work for you, right? So I actually think the sweet spot is 0.01, right? Because that gives you an allowance that your stop loss is a little larger, and you can be able to go quickly over here and say bulk operations and close all your positions before the market reaches a loss of 1 cent, right? Because it has a little bit of room to room to play out, rather than if you are using a lot size of a lot size of, or let's say 0.25, right? So if you enter over here, right, the stop loss for you to reach a cent will be over here, right? If you are using 0.015, maybe it's here, right? And if you are using 0.01, it's here. And if you're using 0.005, maybe it's there. But 0.005 is also not ideal. The smallest one is also not ideal, because it takes a larger time for you to reach a cent. Hence, you'll also be going in circles again, right? So try this out, and come back in the comment section if you see what works. Come back in the comment section so that it can actually help other people, even me, right? So that we can be able to make money all together. So if you see what works using this strategy, come back in the comment section and keep on let's keep pushing and motivating each other, showing each other what's working and what's not, right? So remember, consider liking this, subscribing to the channel, liking this video, so that the video can be pushed to more and more people, so that it can actually help more people, and I can actually be motivated to give you some tips and everything that I know, right? So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Peace.